Hello everyone, I am Tamil your business coach. Today we are going to talk about a fascinating and highly impactful aspects of modern business, process automation robotics. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a manager, or just a tech enthusiast, understanding this subject can tremendously enhance your perspective and decision-making abilities. So stick with me till the end and let's dive right into it.
1. Understanding the basics of process automation robotics. Process automation robotics, known as RPA, uses bots to automate routine tasks that are typically repetitive and manual. These tasks may include data entry, invoice processing, or email responses, among others. RPA frees up the employee's time, allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks, thus boosting overall productivity. 2. The evolution of process automation robotics. Process automation robotics has come a long way. Initially limited to simple tasks, it now integrates with artificial intelligence and machine learning, dramatically expanding its capabilities. Today, it can handle complex functions, aid in decision-making processes, and even learn over time to adapt to changing scenarios. 3. Key benefits of implementing process automation robotics. Implementing RPA comes with a host of benefits. It increases accuracy and efficiency, reduces costs, and provides a significant return on investment. Moreover, it allows for seamless scalability, meaning that as your business grows, RPA can easily adjust to meet increasing demands. 4. The role of artificial intelligence in process automation robotics. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in enhancing the capabilities of RPA. With AI, bots can understand and interpret human language, make decisions based on past patterns, and even predict future trends. This combination of RPA and AI is often referred to as intelligent automation. 5. Different industries utilizing process automation robotics. RPA is not industry-specific. It's being utilized in healthcare for patient data management, in finance for transaction processing, in HR for employee onboarding, and many other sectors. The versatility of RPA makes it a powerful tool regardless of the industry you are in. 6. Essential components of process automation robotics. There are three main components of RPA bots: a controller, and a development studio. Bots carry out tasks. The controller manages these bots, and the development studio is where the automation processes are created and tested. 7. Strategies for implementing process automation robotics. Implementing RPA requires a strategic approach. You need to identify the processes that can be automated, choose the right RPA tool, develop the bots, and then monitor and manage them. It's equally important to train your staff to work with these bots. 8. Process automation robotics, use case scenarios. There are numerous use case scenarios for RPA. For example, in customer service, bots can handle basic customer queries, allowing human agents to deal with more complex issues. In logistics, bots can track shipments and update customers in real time. 9. The future trends of process automation robotics. The future of RPA looks bright. With advancements in AI and machine learning, RPA will become even more intelligent and capable. We can expect to see more businesses adopting RPA and it becoming an integral part of modern workplaces. 10. Challenges and solutions in process automation robotics. Like any technology, RPA has its challenges, such as the need for constant monitoring, managing bot failures, and integration with existing systems. However, with proper planning and execution, these challenges can be effectively managed. Remember, understanding and adapting to advancements like process automation robotics is key to staying ahead in the business world. If you found this video informative and helpful, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. I am Tamiz Harasu, your business coach, signing off. Stay tuned and stay ahead. Thanks for watching.